So good day guys, welcome to this episode. So what we are doing this episode is integration. So if you are new to this channel, I will urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So subscription on YouTube is 100% free, so it's a benefit for you, so that when I drop interesting video like this, you will have access to it. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into today's class. So what we are doing is integration, as earlier said. So integrate 2x cube plus 2x over x with respect to x. So we don't need to be reading the option. Now let me introduce you to integration. Whenever you're given integration like this, that you should integrate ax raised to power n. For you to integrate something like this is how to do it. When you integrate, it means this is what you will do. You will say ax n plus 1 over n plus 1. I hope you understand. So that's how integration works. Then you can write plus c, or at times you may use what? Plus. Instead of using plus c, you may use k. So this k and c, they just represent constant. So I hope you understand. So that's how it works. So this is how you do integration, assuming you have 2s cube. So if you want to integrate this is how you do it. You just say 2x 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. I hope you understand. Then you write plus k. So it's now going to be what? 2x 3 plus 1 is what? 4. Then 3 plus 1 also is what? 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 2 in 4, so that's 2. So we now have s raised to power 4 over 2. Don't forget that there's k here, so plus k. I hope you understand. So that's how we do integration. Now let's do what we have here for today's class. I just use that as an illustration. So now let's start what we are doing in the question. So the question is 2s cube plus 2x over x. So if you have question like this, there's a rule. Whenever you have something like this, you know that this x here, you can use it to cut the x in both sides. This is how you will do it. Assuming you have 2x plus x over x like this, you know that you can do like this. You write it like this, that 2x plus x over x. I hope you understand. I hope you know that you can do it like this. So it will now be what? 2 plus, you will do it like this, you will do it like this. So it's now going to be what? 3. I hope you understand. So do it normally like this. 2x plus x, that's 3x. X, so x cancel x, so you still get what? You still get 3. So the principle we use here is what we are also going to use here. So it's now going to be what? Before you integrate, so that it can be easier for us to integrate it. So it will now be what? 2s cube over x plus 2x over x. I hope you understand. There is dx here. Whenever you are integrate, before you can integrate, you need to put dx there. I hope you understand. So it's now going to be what? So x, how many s we have in s cube? So it is going to remove what? It's going to be what? S raised to power 2. So you now have 2s square plus 1x. So you're now having what? 2. I hope you understand. So this is what? Dx. Now let's differentiate 2s square and 2. So for you to do that, for you to differentiate 2, integrate 2, you know that in differentiation of constant is, if you see this 2 is a constant, right? Differentiation of constant is 0, right? But in integration, the integration of constant is not 0. So this is it. You know that this 2 normally is going to have x raised to power 0 beside it, because x raised to power 0 is what? 1 times 2, so you still have what? 2 again. So it means it is having what? X raised to power 0 beside it. So this is how you will write 2. So you can now rewrite it to be what? 2s square plus 2x raised to power 0. Then you can close the brackets. It's now be what? Dx. So now let's integrate it. So when we integrate it, we are going to be having 2s square plus 1 over 2 plus 1. I hope you understand. Plus 2x raised to power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1, then put k. So we are now going to be having, should I manage this please? Let me move to the next slide. So we now having what? 2x raised to power 3 over 3 plus 2x, so 0 plus 1, that's 1. So we're now having 0 plus 1 here also. We are having 1 plus k. So at the end of the day, we are going to be having 2x cubed over 3 plus 2x plus k. So this is our final answer. So adding bin, we are given uppercase and lowercase. What I mean by uppercase and lowercase is that if they give us maybe 3 like this and 2, we are still going to be substituting it, but they didn't give us something like that. So this is where we will stop our answer. So let us go to the option. So looking at the option, our answer will be what? Let me check again. What's our answer? So our answer is 2x cubed plus 2x plus k. So our answer is what? C. So that's our correct answer. So I hope you gain something. So if you gain something in this video, I urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that's that for this video. Bye.